Security, especially the security for judges, magistrates, and staff, because we have even witnessed incidences where we are being shot at when we are doing our work in court. Because of those insecurities, we have had to pull down the makeshift courts which we had, like at Makandara Court. We had to pull down the tents, and therefore now we are short of courts where we can discharge justice. Now, when you hear the ICT budget is cut to zero, our servers are getting old and tired because of too many cases being filed, and we cannot be able to renew those servers. That, dear friends, keeps me awake at night.
It is therefore evident that the current budget shortfalls have placed significant constraints on the judiciary's ability to achieve its strategic goals.